So earlier, I was there at Chick-fil-A, and while I was waiting for my food, there was like a little girl, like maybe 5 or 6. Bigla na lang niyang sinabi, I love your hair. Sabi niya ganun, ito nga yung hair ko. Ang pangit nga niya ngayon. Thank you. You're so sweet. Sabi ko ganun. Tapos sabi niya, how was your day today? Gulat ako. Imagine, 5 years old. Tinanong ako, how was your day? And then ako naman sabi ko, it was a tiring day. Tinanong ko siya, how about you? And then sabi niya, you know what? It was a hurtful day. Talagang yung ginamit niyang term hurtful. Sabi ko, why? What happened? Nahulog siya. So, pinakita niya may sugat siya. At hindi lang yun. Tinanong pa niya ako, sabi niya, when will I see you again? Oh, sabi ko, maybe next Friday. Same time? Sabi pa niya, same time. Sabi ko, yeah, we'll see. That little girl made me smile today. So, find someone who can make you smile too.